Welcome to Tectonic coin. Now in this video, let's talk about if we decide to invest just $15 only, and if Tectonic loses 3 zeros, how much can we gain in return? Now remember, this video we're actually doing is based on that Tectonic have about 6 zeros, and we believe Tectonic need a lot of time in order for anyone or any holder to really make money with Tectonic. There are some coins that you make money under few months or few weeks, and there are some coins that might even make you richer, but these coins need your time, and if you are willing to give them that time, believe me, you are going to make a lot of money. Now the reason why we are choosing $15 is because you can be investing $150 and decide, $15 is something anyone can just decide to invest on a particular coin, then forget about that coin. Because let me tell you the truth, within the next 2, 3, 4, 5 years to come, Tectonic is going to massively increase in price. You might not even know how Tectonic might increase. Just one day you might just discover that Tectonic have actually start trading with 3 zeros. Remember, right now it's trading with 6 zeros. Now if Tectonic start trading with 3 zeros, your $15 investment will be worth about $15,000. Wow, that is a lot of gain. That is a lot of money for an investment of just $15. This is the power of investment, and this is the power of patience. Okay, now one thing I love about Tectonic is that this coin has been listed on crypto.com, and it has been listed on Hotbit, on VVS Finance, and on Finance. Now let me tell you the importance of being listed on crypto.com and Hotbit. There are some other coins that are actually trading with a lot of zeros, but they are yet to be listed on one of the top crypto exchange. Now the benefit of being listed among one of the top crypto exchanges is that millions of people will now have access to that coin, and then it will help build the market cap and the price of that coin. Now Tectonic is on crypto.com, and crypto.com have over 12 million customers worldwide, and believe it, this is going to give room for many people to actually purchase Tectonic. Now we believe in the next 5 years, the next 6 or 7 years, or even 8 years, Tectonic is going to lose a lot of zero. When you check the history of Dogecoin, you will discover that Dogecoin gradually Dogecoin was actually trading with over 6 zeros. Okay, that was time Dogecoin was trading with over 6 zeros, but today Dogecoin is currently trading at 6 cents, 7 cents. That was time even Dogecoin hit 27 cents. That is the power of patience. Now Tectonic can still do this thing, and we believe with time, with a good developer, with a good project, if their developer, their founder will really work hard on Tectonic, believe it, Tectonic is going to massively increase in price. So $15 will give you $15,000 if Tectonic loses 3 zeros. Once again, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next coins, our next crypto prediction. Here we discover new coins that you might not even hear about, but they're actually doing well.